a little experiment here. So I have a Spectrum, as you can see, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back there and unplug the Coax and leave the camera here. I'm gonna see what happens. Oh, whoa. Ew. Oh my gosh. I heard it started glitching as I was unscrewing it. Let's get this. Let's go to the guide. Let's go to Time Warner Info Network. Let's see what happens. And nothing. I can't even scroll through the channels. Like, look, I'm actively pressing it, pointing it at the receiver. Oh, never mind. But it's not doing anything. Okay, let's press the restart button. Let's see. Attention, trying to reboot. Hold down the 5. Okay. So let's just say that was a cable guy who or a cable user, and I didn't know what was going on. I pressed the restart button, right? So that's on this outdated looking Spectrum screen. Hold on. I'll let you guys know when it starts doing something. Okay. Turn it off. And turn back on. Oh, there it goes. There's the outdated bars again. Acquiring application information. And it will acquire nothing because it's not plugged in. I'll show you. Let me go back here. And here is the coax that's supposed to be plugged in right there. And obviously, it's not doing anything because it's not plugged in. So, yeah. You can't acquire the application information with nothing. It's going through it again. It's checking, I guess. Is that what the yellow is for? I don't know. I was still checking. Let's see if it gets let's see if we get the error. I'm sure we will. I'm still stuck on the screen where it's applying the acquiring the application information. It's been like this for like a minute now, and yeah, it's still. I'm wondering if we'll get this no signal error, which I'm waiting on to see if it didn't like quite update the old 2004 UI. Cause I recorded a clip, which is probably never gonna get posted, with like the CD thingy that you'll see right here, CDR or C cable or something, whatever it stands for. So yeah, I'm just waiting to see if it's still in the old UI. Let me. So it doesn't turn off for some reason. There's a channel list, which I don't want to go to. Still stuck. Now I'm gonna look for the remote. What's the point of letting it fail when I can just press this? And no, it didn't change the old 2004 UI. But I still want to see the error. So it really just ended up turning off anyways, but I asked ChatGPT what does it mean if it just gets stuck at full green bars, and it gave me the exact answer. It's not communicating with Spectrum's network. I wonder why. So yeah, that was it. I'll have to rewatch to. You don't want to hear the outro. Goodbye.